To buy copper in Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by completing the necessary registration process. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading section of the website, as this is where you will find options for buying various investment products. Next, look for the option to trade commodities or ETFs that track the price of copper. You can search for specific copper-related funds or ETFs by using the search bar. Look for funds that specifically mention copper in their titles or descriptions. It is important to consider the performance and fees associated with the funds you are interested in, as these factors can impact your investment. After you find a suitable copper ETF or fund, click on it to get more details. Review the performance history, risks, and any other important information. Once you feel confident in your choice, look for the option to trade or buy shares. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase and proceed to review your order. Make sure to double-check all the details before finalizing the transaction. Finally, confirm your order and wait for the trading process to complete. After your purchase is successful, you can monitor the performance of your copper investment through your Fidelity account. Always remember to do thorough research and consider your financial goals before making any investment decisions.